The main lessons I learned from the project is surely that if you want to be successful in shop floor, you have to streamline the processes as much as possible.
Before the project, we saw a lot of individual processes at the plant level, and thus we wanted to ensure to enable comparability and innovation across all plants.
Moreover, each of our 14 factories were used to manage maintenance differently, and this was clearly against one of our main goals, which is the data harmonization and process standardization. Therefore, we decided to implement and develop together with Syntax the Syntain application.
What's so special about the application is this combination of two ecosystems. It's on the one side the very sturdy and robust processes on the SAP side, and on the other side the very intuitive and user-friendly processes or user interface on the Microsoft level.
The collaboration with Syntax was always agile. Even though the topics were not so easy to manage, thanks to their experience and the professional approach, everything went well and very simplified.
The application supports planned and unplanned maintenance activities by synchronizing applications, meaning enabling users to post unplanned maintenance directly when it happens within the unknown functionality, and on the other side, take the very robust and sturdy maintenance planning from SAP, completely synchronizing and enabling the optimal user experience.
So we smoothly moved from an in-house manual solution to a structured CMMS with high performance without an extra effort for the users. I would recommend the development of an application with the same concept we have done with Syntax.
We leveraged this rollout as our best practice. It showed us how powerful the combination of SAP and Microsoft can be when done right, and we're looking forward enabling both more use cases at FHCS, but at our other customers as well in the future.